So hello and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I got a package but it's enclosed in this Australia Post package. The reason why is because it is a bit damaged, as you can see there. So this one is the enclosed were either loose in the mail or damaged while being processed. Okay, so they take every effort to correctly handle the millions of mails, blah blah blah. Okay, it's a facility uses manufactured equipment to process most of the mail. This may be due to machine malfunction or because articles not properly sealed or contain bulky material. So, when you get damaged items in the mail, and obviously it is coins, it's a coin channel, but you want to know if everything in there is correct. So you have got all the coins that you ordered. Now, this seller I do not have a problem with. I've never had a problem with them. So obviously this is not the seller's fault. They always package their items pretty good. Okay, so on the other side it has my address. So I can't show that side. So I'll open it up. So anyway, so you get a pair of scissors, and the whole idea is that you open it up in the video because this is evidence that you didn't open it up and take the coins out and just falsely claim that the item was never delivered, or that you took some items out. So, okay, so there we go. Oh look. Some things of, oh no, they're my coins. So that got caught in the package. So there you go. So this is what you need to do if you think that the item might have lost some stuff. Okay, so here's the item. I don't want to show the other side. Maybe I'll show it in another video. So, because if you do show your home address, PO box this is. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the coins are pretty much contained. Is this Paraguay? Yep, Paraguayan coins. I've been waiting a month for this. So obviously, it looks like the item was just damaged, but the coins inside are fine. And yes, so we've got a lot of Sierra Leone, got some Japanese. So here's the Japanese 500 yen. So this one was replaced in 2000, and they replaced the coin that replaced this last year. And then we have some Paraguayan coins. So this is a nice scallop shaped coin, 25 centimeters. But that's not why I got the Paraguayan coins. I got the Paraguayan coins for the earlier dates. So pretty much for these coins here. So here's a 25 centimeters from 1951, so I don't have this one in my collection. And there was another one. I think it was, is it there? Okay, here's another Paraguayan coin. So this is the previous series, 500 guaranis. It's worth about 10 cents. And this is the current coin. So as you can see, there is just a reduction in size of Paraguayan coins because of inflation over the past 80 years actually. So it's the current 500 guaranis, the second highest coin in circulation, as I said, worth 10 cents. There's 25s, so the two different 25 denominations. So this is the earlier one. This is the 1953, as the this is part of the coat of arms. And this one has a plant, which is quite nice. Now, did I get a 50? Thought I got a 50. But anyway, here's a 10 Stodinski from Bulgaria. So that one I do not have. So I'm not going to show all the coins. So I've got the Sierra Leone coins, which I have pretty much quite a few. Oh, with the Paraguayan ones, there's two different types of 500 Guaranis in the brass. So you got the one with the 500 on it and the one with 500 up top. There's the central bank building. But the obverse, which has Caballero, is the same. Also the milling. Then we have this one. So these coins are worth about $10 to $20 each. 1951, 50 centavos. I don't have that. Paraguayan coins are pretty hard to get for the ones before 1953. And also quite expensive. This one's a bit damaged. Pity. Anyway, then we have, so this out of Sierra Leone coins, this is one I wanted, 2004 500 Leones. It was just a bit of quality. And, you know, this one's probably worth about $4 to $5 if you want to buy it. But this one's worth about $10 to $20. So 1987 1 Leones. Even though it is a high mintage, they're quite hard to get. I've only ever seen it one time, 3 or 4 on eBay. Compared with this Paraguayan, it's a 50 Guaranis with Iguazu Falls. And that's probably worth about $5. So this is 1986. There's probably a few hundred of those on eBay. And then we've got some current coins from Japan, 100 yen, 10 yen, previous 100 Guaranis from Paraguay, 10 cent from Sierra Leone, another 10 yen. So this is Sierra Leone. Okay, then we have these two. So we've got quite these, about 30 million of these 1 cents from 1964 from Sierra Leone. Then we have a 64 20 cent. Looks like it might be that looks like a proof issue. Yeah, it does too. And here's one from 1978. So this design is actually quite hard to get in high grade. Most of the ones I've seen are in low grade. So the proof coin's probably worth about $10, and this one's probably worth about $5 to $10 because they're harder to get. Then we have Japanese 1 yen, pretty common, 5 yen, but you need to look for, so it's year 9. So that will be 1996 or something. Okay, 100 Leone from Sierra Leone, 10 Guarani, another 10 Guarani, 50 yen from Japan, another 1 yen, 60, year 60, with 5 yen. So these are all just current circulating coins, unless they're errors or high grades, they're not really worth much. Then we have a 10, is it 5 or 10 cent? Oh no, that's a 10 cent, 1 cent from Paraguay, 15 cent. So that's very interesting. Sierra Leone, 10 Leones, 5 cent from Sierra Leone. Probably, that's a proof that's definitely worth at least $5 to $10. Then we have 5 cent from centimos from Paraguay. So we've got more Paraguayan coins. And this is a steel 100 Guaranis from Paraguay. And I quite like this. 1980. So 40 years ago, I actually wanted to get a set of these. Actually 30 years ago. If it was 40, I'd only be 7. So about 30 years ago, I wanted to get a set of these. And it's only this year I actually completed the set. So obviously Paraguay takes quite a long time to get some coins. As you can see, you got 5 Guaranis, got the 100 Guaranis. So inflation has really destroyed its value. And The last two I'll show are these two coins. So 100 yen. So this is year 51. Can't remember what it celebrates. It has, so I need to look that up. But I think this is worth about $5 or $10. And here we have a 500 yen from, okay, 57. Year 57. And that's quite nice, 500 yen. Still legal tender. They took these out because people were using the South Korean 500 won, which is about 50 cents instead of $5, as 500 yen. So they had to change the coin. And both those countries issued the coins pretty much at the same time. So where's the 100 yen? Okay. So as you can see, the commemorative coin and the circulating coin are different sizes. So I doubt it very much this 100 yen actually circulated. Anyway, that is what you need to do when you get a package that's damaged. Just make the video, all the coins there pretty much, and you just see if everything is there. Anyway, I'd say thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.